Welcome to Rejuvenation's guide for installing cabinet hardware. In this video, we will walk you through the steps of cabinet hardware installation and share tips to make your project a success. You will need some essential tools to complete the process, including a measuring tape, pencil, standard screwdriver, drill, 3/16-inch drill bit, and painter's tape. When determining placement, consider the size and style of your cabinetry. Typically, longer drawers over 24 inches look best with two knobs or pulls placed in the outer thirds. For standard-sized drawers, centered hardware delivers a clean, symmetrical look. But there is no wrong answer here. It all comes down to your preference and decorative style. In this demonstration, we'll be centering our hardware within the inset panel of our cabinet drawer. To prevent your cabinet or drawer from closing during this installation process, create an easy pull with your painter's tape. Simply take a strip of tape and fold it over 2/3 of the way. Place it on the inside with a folded edge sticking out. You can now gently pull it open when you need to. Next, adhere a strip of your tape roughly in the area you will be drilling. Now you can easily make your markings on the tape surface instead of your cabinet. After you decide your placement, use the tape measure to find the horizontal and vertical center point of your cabinet. Mark it with your pencil. Find the spots you will drill into and mark them with your pencil. For Rejuvenation's 6-inch mission drawer pulls, we will mark 2 holes 3 inches from the center vertical line on each side. Make sure to triple-check your drill hole locations. This prep work makes the hardware installation go smoothly. Once you drill, you can't start over. Next, drill the holes at each pencil mark using the small drill bit. Keep a soft, even pressure while you drill. This will help prevent splintering on the backside of your cabinet as you drill through. Now for the most exciting part, installing your new beautiful hardware. Gather your necessary screws and mounting hardware. All of Rejuvenation's hardware is crafted from solid brass or solid bronze materials and comes with mounting hardware included. Place each piece of hardware in front of the corresponding drill hole. From inside the cabinet, use your screwdriver to securely fasten the hardware into place. The screws should feel snug with no movement from the knob or pull when properly tightened. Repeat this process at each drill hole and enjoy your new look. You did it! We hope you found Rejuvenation's guide on installing cabinet hardware helpful. Be sure to visit our website to shop our expertly crafted solid brass and handcrafted bronze hardware and view more project inspiration and tips.